Hello guys, welcome back another tutorial. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to cancel your Earthlink internet or home internet account. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, if you are going to cancel your internet you can like early, then you need to pay early termination fees up to like $200. And if you are not going to return your equipment, then you have to pay like $400, because you have to return your equipments within 30 days of canceling. Okay, so these are the points you need to keep in your mind before cancellation of your internet service. Okay, now let's talk about how to cancel your internet. So first of all I want to tell you, you don't need, there is no other another method to cancel your like internet. You just need to simply contact with the customer support team. So I will provide you this link in our video description box. You can visit on this area, and when you scroll down at the bottom side, in the bottom side on this page, you will find that they have provided their phone number, like how to cancel home internet account. Okay, so you need to contact their customer support team, and then you can cancel your home internet, or you can search like how to cancel Earthlink internet. Then the phone number is visible on your screen. Okay, so you can contact the customer support team and you can ask any questions, and they will also reply you very soon. Okay, so this is the information and that's it. So my dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your Earthlink internet services. So that's it. Or if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.